Avalanche price today is $12.74 with a 24-hour trading volume of $205.90 million, market cap of $4.41 billion, and market dominance of 0.37%. The Avax price increased 2.1% in the last 24 hours. Avalanche reached its highest price on November 21, 2021, when it was trading at its all-time high of $146.18. While Avalanche's lowest price was recorded on December 23, 2020, when it was trading at its all-time low of $2.79. The lowest price since its ADH was $9.99, cycle low. The highest Avax price since the last cycle low was $15.94, cycle high. The Avalanche price prediction sentiment is currently bearish, while Fear and Greed Index is showing 54, neutral. Avalanche's current circulating supply is 346.02 m Avax out of max supply of 720.00 m Avax. The current yearly supply inflation rate is 21.63%, meaning 61.54 m Avax were created in the last year. In terms of market cap, Avalanche is currently ranked number 7 in the proof-of-stake coins sector, ranked number 1 in the Avalanche network sector, and ranked number 12 in the Layer 1 sector. Avalanche cryptocurrency is worth about 12.7100 units per coin, which shows that it is very important. In real life, the current exchange rate varied between 12.6700 and 12.9500, which is a big change from the 12.8800 rate at the end of the previous day. This change of 0.1700, or 1.32, shows a small change in the exchange rate between the US dollar and the Vax. The value of Avalanche slides is expected to go up in the near future and within the next month. On Thursday, August 10, the price of Avalanche slides was expected to be anywhere from $12.04 to $13.86, with most prices falling around $12.95. On Friday, August 11, the Avalanche slide gauge showed a total cost of $12.64. This is a very high price. The value of Avalanche is likely to be between 11.76 and 13.52 in the next few weeks and next month. On Thursday, August 10, an Avalanche was expected to cost between $12.95 and $13.86, with a minimum cost of $12.04. Also, a slide was expected to cost $12.53 on August 7, which was the highest price ever seen. The item was rented at a very real time of 13.41. The current exchange rate varies a lot, from 12.6700 to 12.9500. On August 8, a snowfall caused a big loss of 12.53 units. The minimum value of 11.65 is much lower than the value of 13.41, and this difference is seen in a small way. The size of avalanches that are expected to happen is expected to change a lot over the course of a few weeks in the years 2023, 2024, and 2027. On Wednesday, August 9, an avalanche was expected to cost $12.61, which can be thought of as the greatest cost. The difference between 13.49 and 11.73 isn't too big, but it could be called important. On Thursday, August 10, the price of an avalanche slide gauge went from a low of 11.63 to a high of 13.38, which is a pretty big range. The expected cost of an avalanche slide on Friday, August 11, was $12.43, which was the most among other times. The time of 13:30 is, in fact, a little bit later than 11:56, which is usually thought of as the start of the day. However, it's important to remember that beauty isn't just based on societal norms or public opinion, despite what most people think. 1330 is still a beautiful year. Because of the avalanche that happened on Monday, August 14, 12.65 units were lost. The value of 13.54 is definitely the lowest, and 11.76 is the next lowest. This shows that the Avalanche slide hypothesis cost 12.53 on Tuesday, August 8, which is almost the highest possible cost. On Tuesday, August 15, the expected cost of an Avalanche slide was 12.24 cents, which is much more than the minimum expected cost of 11.65. The actual cost was 13.41, which is different from the original estimate on the 13th of August. On Thursday, August 17, the projected cost of the Avalanche slide was 11.88, which was the highest value. On Friday, August 18, the Avalanche slide gauge showed a minimum value of 11.05 and a maximum value of 12.71. The cost of this gauge was 11.96, making it the most expensive option. The value of 12.80 was seen to be much higher than the minimum value of 11.12 by the people involved. The cost of an ice slide on August 21 was estimated to be $11.85, which was a very high cost. The current exchange rate is about $12.68, and the lowest value is $11.02. The numbers 12.67 and 12.9500 are very important when all factors are considered. An avalanche on August 22 caused a big loss of about $12.01, which is close to the maximum value. The expected cost of a slide on August 23 was 11.52, which is very high. The term 12.33 truly lease refers to a certain type of rental contract. According to the figures, there was only a small change of 0.1700 in the estimated cost of an avalanche slide on Friday, August 25, ranged from a low of 10.80 cents to a high of 12.42 cents, with 11.18 cents being the most likely cost. The leasing agreement is very good, with a value of 11.9610.4. On Monday, August 28, you should be careful about borrowing money. These numbers show that this was a big event. On Tuesday, August 29, an avalanche was expected to cost $11.75 million, which can be called the highest cost ever. The number 12.57 is definitely a big jump of at least 10.9.